Having a credit card is getting more complicated and harder day by day. You need a good income, salary slips or ITR and a high credit score. Even if you meet this criteria, you still can't have them as there's location restrictions where you get certain cards only if you live in metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, etc. But what if I told you there is a great credit card that does not have any of those problems, plus you can choose your own credit limit and it's a lifetime free Rupay card that allows up to 45 days of interest free credit which you can use to earn up to 20% off on your favorite brands and more rewards on 80 plus brands. Trust me, I'm not kidding, and the card I'm talking about is the SBM ZET Credit Card, which is not only a lifetime free Rupay card, but it has no Cibil or income proof requirements and it has a 100% approval rate if you apply using the link in description. You will get the card irrespective of where you are from or how much you earn and be in the 750 plus credit score club sooner than you can imagine. Even a student or a freelancer can apply for this card and no one will ask for income proof or ITR or Cibil score. Isn't that great? The only thing you need is just a PAN card linked to your phone number and that's all. The application process for this card is very smooth and simple. Just apply using the link in the description. Fill in some basic details, verify your phone number and email, and then PAN card and Aadhaar. Choose a credit limit you want, open an FD and transfer the amount from your bank account. Do the video KYC and your virtual card will be activated instantly. The whole process will just take a few minutes and after 5 to 7 days, you will also get a physical card at your address. Once your card gets activated, you will have your own referral link that you can share with your friends or family, and for every referral, you will earn cashback which you can check in the ZET app. So the more you refer, the more you earn. Now, if you're someone who is not earning yet or you don't have any other credit card, so you won't have any Cibil history, making you ineligible to apply for a new card. It's a vicious cycle, just like how companies ask for experience from fresh graduates to give them a job, but without the job, they can't have the experience. Similarly, in the credit card industry, if you're unable to get a credit card because of low Cibil or income, you can apply for an FD backed card to kickstart your credit card journey and improve your Cibil score over time, and can easily achieve 750 plus Cibil score in a month or two. Plus, the cherry on top is that you will be earning up to 7% interest on your FD just by parking the money there. Also, any FD up to 5 lakh rupees is insured by the RBI under the DICGC Act of 1961. So there should not be any worries regarding SBM Bank. ZET and SBM Bank India have partnered together to offer a lifetime free FD backed Rupay credit card with a 100% acceptance rate, and it gets activated instantly, allowing you to use the virtual card before receiving the physical one. You don't need to open a savings account with SBM Bank and you can get this card with just an FD investment of 5,000 rupees. You will get 90% of the FD amount as your credit limit. But please note, it is recommended to keep your credit utilization ratio under 30% of your total credit limit to maintain a good Cibil score. So plan accordingly. The best strategy would be to keep increasing the FD amount whenever you can, which can also work as your emergency fund, which ideally should be 6 to 12 months of your monthly expenses. The best part is that if you have less funds now, maybe you can start with just a 10 or 20,000 rupees FD investment to get the card. But over time, with their top-up feature, you can increase the FD limit up to 5 lakh rupees, which is great. That means you don't have to wait for the bank's approval and request them for a credit limit upgrade. You can do it anytime you want just by increasing the FD amount. So for example, if you do an FD worth 1 lakh rupees, your SBM ZET credit card's limit will be 90,000 and you can increase it anytime you want using the ZET app, which is very user friendly and easy to use. Another great thing is that since it's a Rupay card, you can link the ZET card with any UPI apps you use regularly like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay, etc. and use the credit card for all your UPI transactions. Now, let me explain the different cashback and discounts of using this card. SBM ZET card gives up to 20% discount on Swiggy, Zomato and Book My Show when you pay using the card, and when you buy brand vouchers on the ZET app, you will earn up to 5 to 15% cashback on 80 plus brand vouchers including Amazon Pay, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. The list and the cashback structure gets updated with time, so keep an eye out in the ZET app. In addition, you will also start earning rewards on all your UPI transactions very soon soon using the SBM ZET Credit Card, so stay tuned. I'll make a follow-up video on it as well when the rewards get updated. Now, let me explain the two ways of how you can redeem the Zcoins. Number one, as instant cash conversion where 8 Zcoins are 1 rupee. So for example, 1000 Zcoins value will be 125 rupees. Number two, as voucher redemption among 80 plus brands like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. where 4 Zcoins are 1 rupee. So for example, 1000 Zcoins value will be 250 rupees. Please note the conversion rate is subject to change with time and you need a minimum of 250 Zcoins for redemption. The best part is you don't need to pay anything extra as a reward redemption fee. For voucher redemptions, you will get it instantly, and for cash redemption, you will get it in less than a day or two in the bank account of your choice. So, to summarize, this is a great entry-level lifetime free FD-backed Rupay credit card, which is best suited for beginners if they want to have their first credit card and join the 750 plus credit score club. The only caveat is that the FD rate is actually 6.5% for us and 7% only for senior citizens, but the 0.5% difference does not matter much. Plus, it's similar to other FDs in the industry as well. Hence, it's not a deal breaker really. So, even if you're not interested in the FD, you can use it as a credit card. Or if you're not interested in the credit card, then you can just keep it as an FD, which can act as your emergency fund. If you're interested in more Rupay credit cards, then watch this video next. And don't forget to apply for the SBM ZET credit card using the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.